Hi, today we are going to see how to create a questionnaire in Google Docs. First of all, go to your browser and then into the search bar type docs.google.com. A new interface will come. After coming this interface, click on this menu and from this click on Forms. Here, in the blank option, you have to create the form, add its description and add as many questions as you want. Send it via email. Here in the sending option you have to type the email of the receiver, or you can link, or you can embed HTML. In the send option you have to give the email of the receiver. I am giving a demo account and include from email. Then the mail will be sent. Here is the mail has come. If you complete this mail and submit it, then here you can see the response. By this you can create as many forms as you want. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching the video.